You made it toward the end, so now we're gonna break it down. Let me bring up that timeline again because this timeline very, very important. So Ocu410 ST. That is geographic atrophy and Stargardt. So Ocu410 ST for Stargardt, Ocugen announced FDA clearance for an IND amendment to initiate a phase 2/3 pivotal confirmatory trial on Stargardt disease. The company expects to submit a BLA in 2027 based on data from trial. As Ocugen has noted that they will initiate the phase 2/3 in the coming weeks from their announcement that it may expedite development by 2 to 3 years. You can find these informations on the web, on our website, because anytime when we have an earning report call, you can actually call in to ask questions. If you don't know that, please wake up early and call in so that way you know what you hold. Ocu410, the geographic atrophy, and it's also deal with dry AMD. Simple term, you go blind if you have geographic atrophy. It's not fun. It's just slowly your vision deteriorate and you lose all hope. Depressions form, and eventually you want to unalive yourself. And that is not kind to your soul. So if you ever consider even have an idea of unaliving yourself because you're losing hope due to going blind, help us on the way. I'm trying my best to make more videos like this so that way the algorithm can eventually find those blind people and say, hey, Ocugen is here to help people and we're on the way. We're doing as fast as we can, but we can't push science. We need to know that the superior data continue to develop, continue to show in our patients so that way we can help the rest of the world. Be patient, it will come. The public roadmap indicates that interim phase 2 data is expected in fall 2025 in the near months. These are my speculations, it's not exact. Ocugen did not promise these data to come out. I'm just putting in a timeline to help you see things easier, simple terms. The company has completed phase 2 enrollment. So Ocu410, Ocu410 ST, that's 2 BLAs that I mentioned before. That's that. Now we jump to Ocu400, Retinitis Pigmentosa. So Ocugen is running a phase 3 limelight trial for Ocu400. They are targeting mid 2026 for the BLA MMA filing, assuming favorable results. When I make these videos, I always have to say not financial advice because I don't want people to think that, oh, he knows everything. He knows the data is going to work. He knows everything's going to go 100%. We're in a trial, the data trial period, so nothing is 100%. However, I'm crossing my finger for superior data that allowing patients to see in dim light, to read more letters at a test chart. Those are important because those are the foundation if you're either able to drive again or they will legally put you down as blind. And that's a horrible, horrible feeling. There's no public statement confirming exactly when interims or top line data from phase 3 will be released. And this is directly from the company. It's like they're not obligated to release any data to you or I. I'm just putting this together, a tentative outline. So that way we have something to look toward instead of showing your fake ass bullshit on a red day in a very long time, by the way. Shame, shame, shame. Because of the ATMP classification in Europe for Ocu400, granted by EMA's CAT earlier in 2025. That's EMA's cat like a cat, like male, but it's in scientific term. You don't know what that is? Let me in the comment section. I can break it down in my next video. Ocugen is positioning the program for both U.S. and European regulatory. I mentioned in my other video too that Europe is a potential region partner, maybe in the near months. I do not know. Just speculations, research, investigation. I put into a video for you. So that way you can learn something. So that way you don't have to be fake. If you're a bear, just say you're a bear. You're learning right now, but don't pretend to be a bull and on a one red day and you show your true colors. That is very hot sauce like